Like they have what is it?
I don't know if I want to do this. This is a gay.
You gotta do it.
I do
You
it.
feel gay though.
Exactly.
Like, who does that?
She does.
Oh shit.
You gotta do the whole song?
No, I mean this is on easy mode, dude.
Oh.
We can go on hard mode. Y'all can go on hard mode.
What? Look, you saw he
Now it's
did.
freestyle. Now watch the videos.
Look at it.
Watch him.
Wow, that looks creepy though.
Alright, go. It's your turn.
Oh,
Go.
I can't do it. What am I doing?
Now watch.
Oh, watch. Here you go. Snap. Here you go.
Oh. Yeah, see, that's confused me too.
Get it, Joe. Look at
Yeah, he done beat me. Cause I know what I was doing.
Oh, get it.
She got me. Acting retarded.
It's cool.
Yeah, that's fun though.
I want to see him freestyle.
Make it ready. Let's begin.
Oh, and then I have to go back up.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
That is so good.
I know, right?
You can do something else. It's the warm up.
Yes. No.
Amanda thinks it gets really, really hard.
It gets hard.
Ooh, I want to do Sean Paul's.
They play some Rihanna, and it's like that
Rihanna.
island dancing. Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah.
That hip
I want
stuff
that.
going.
I want that. I want to do that.
Ah.
Oh yeah. You need to do that.
No.
You do that hip stuff. Children.
When's this freestyle?
He will.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
It's freestyle, Jeff. Look at you, Jeff. Look.
You look like you're doing something on Dave Chappelle show.
Did you see yourself on there? It's his turn again?
Yeah.
How long is the song?
Oh
Yeah, we can stop and y'all can do another one.
But how we gonna know who won?
At the end, it tells you.
How long? They gonna...
See the points at the bottom? The points? The
Yeah.
300? Yeah.
This your second time?
Oh, it said flawless and nice and everything. She looks so stanky on there.
Like, you really recording this?
Yes.
Something.
Oh, you can stop now.
Mimi, hey. Watch out, little lady.
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad you put it on easy mode because I'm feeling it. Like I'm not. Whew.
Dang,
Oh,
Jeff,
yeah.
look at
I
your
got sports
score.
I got we can play soccer and stuff. It is.
Look at Jeff's score.
Damn.
Look,
I don't
he's
think-
getting into it. Look.
You know he likes it.
I want my mom to play this.
Bring her over, man.
Oh yeah, I gotta get to this man.
Freestyle.
Had a million point. No, there's no freestyle.
You don't freestyle?
No, you don't get
Ooh, look at that.
Hit
You
him.
won.